This is a Ruko 600 that Otter Arms let me borrow. That's the bidding for it. Let's see. Oh, geez. Lot Lock Tools, 47 thousandths. And 15 thousandths multi-pick from the Lock Noob set that is pretty much just bent to the shape of this lock. Oh, so let's see. Do this. I'm gonna see if I can get it on video. This thing's a pain. 3, 4, 5. Six. This thing, the warding being so tight it's a pain, and then it's hard to feel where the pins are. So that's 1. That's 2. So 1, 2, 3 maybe. That's 4. Five. And 5 opened it up. I mean, that was kind of quick, but don't let that fool you. This thing was an absolute pain. I don't know if you can really see it. Let me see if I can get it in here better, because that warding, that little bit of warding right there to the side, it pushes your pick off the pins, and the pins are small and they're hard to feel, and the edges of them are really rounded off, and I would have to go in and then hook the pin and then lift. You can see how bent my pick is just from getting this thing open. But that is the Ruko 600 with gin spools from Otter Arms.